Hi students, welcome to today's class. So today I am going to explain, so what is foot of the perpendicular? What is foot of the perpendicular of a point? So let us see, this is a very easy concept. So let us take a line. So the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay now. So let us take a point P which is not on the line P x1 comma y1. Let P x1 comma y1 be any point which is not on the line. Now drop a perpendicular from P2 on this line. Drop a perpendicular, let us call it as a Q. Let this point be h comma k. This Q h comma k is called the foot of the perpendicular. Foot means we know that foot h comma k is called the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point x1 comma y1 upon the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay now. Here we know that x1 y1 and we know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Straight line equation also we know. How to find out h value and k value? So that was given by a very interesting, a very easy formula. The formula is this. So that is h minus x1 upon a is equal to k minus y1 upon b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So this is the formula. Here minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square is a constant. Why? Because x1 comma y1 is a point. If you substitute in this variable x and y, we will get a constant. So upon a square b square is also constant. So if you compare first term with the last term, then you will get a h value, and if you compare second term and the last term, you will get k value. So this is called foot of the perpendicular. Okay now, right. If the point is happens to be 0, one node point. What is that node point is? If this point is happens to be 0, 0, the point is happens to be 0, 0, then what will be your foot of the perpendicular? Here 0, y1 is 0, x1 here also 0, 0 substitute here. So this is equal to h by a is equal to k by b is equal to minus c by a square plus b square. So your h comma k will become minus ac by a square plus b square minus bc by a square plus b square. So this will be the foot of the perpendicular from the point origin 0, 0. So x1 in place of x1 y1, if you substitute, you will get the answer. Okay now. So this is the all about this foot of. You will have the proofs also. You can prove this also very easily. So very important theorem for your +2 board examinations. Okay now, I am skipping the proof here. Now let us go for next concept, that is image of a point with respect to a line. So welcome to this concept, that is image of a point with respect to a line. Let us take a line. So the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line. Let us take a point which is not on the line x1 comma y1. Then its image will be, so if you imagine that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a straight line. If you imagine that it is a mirror, if it is a mirror, then the image of p x1 comma y1 will be at where? Its image will be here somewhere. So this is a q h comma k. So if you drop a perpendicular here, if it is a m, so definitely m n is equal to qn. Definitely, if you imagine that if you see our face in our mirror, the distance between the face to the mirror is equal to the mirror to the image. So if my face is there, your image is there, so it will be like this. Okay. So definitely n is a midpoint of PQ, n lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay now. Then It is given that we know the point x1 comma y1 and we know the line equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then how to find out the coordinates of the image of the point h comma k. So that was given by the formula h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. Okay. So this whole term, that is a minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square, is a constant term. It is a constant term. So if you compare the first one and last one, you can find out here x1 and a is also known values only. So if you compare first one and last one, you will get the h value. If you compare second term and last term, you will get the k value. Okay, na? So like that you will get h and k. So very nice to know, right? Next, we are going to see what is the difference between the foot of the perpendicular formula and its image formula. So comparatively study, in the foot of the perpendicular, there won't be any 2. In the image theorem, you will get a 2 here. There also minus, here also minus, but there won't be any 2 here. Here you will get 2. Okay, na? Right. I hope that you understand this concept. Now what we are going to see is, given a point, what is the image of the point with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, with respect to origin. Same, given a line, what is the image of the line with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, with respect to origin. That also we are going to see. So welcome to this concept. So I am going to explain you image of a point a comma b with respect. Now I am taking a point here a comma b with respect to the origin, with respect to x-axis, y-axis, with respect to the line x is equal to y, and with respect to the line x is equal to minus y. So let us see one by one. So first of all, to make you understand clearly, so let us take a two-dimensional system, x-axis and y-axis. So this is y-axis, x-axis, this is origin. Okay. Now first of all, a comma b will be in your first quadrant. So this is a comma b. Okay, now the origin, with respect to origin, the image of the point with respect to the origin is, so this is a comma b with respect to the origin, its image will be in the third quadrant. So this is equal to minus a comma minus b. The image of this point, with respect to origin is minus a comma minus b. With respect to x-axis means, so this is a x-axis, its image will be like this. So this is a x coordinate will be same, then y coordinate will be minus b. Okay. So this is the line and its image. So x coordinate is same, the y coordinate will be negative. The image of the point a comma b with respect to y-axis means it lies in the second quadrant. The second quadrant means what? So this will be, so here whatever may be the length a, it will become minus a, but this breadth, that is a height, minus a comma b. So this is the point. So this will be the point. Okay, now the image of the point a comma b with respect to x is equal to y line. See here x is equal to y line. So for this I will draw another graph that will be very easy to understand here. So for example, so this is x-axis and y-axis. We know that x is equal to y is a line passing through origin and lies in the first and fourth quadrants. Okay, na? Passing through origin, and if you particularly if you want to tell, it makes a 45 degrees with the x-axis. Okay, now so if we want to find out the image of a point, so a comma b with respect to x is equal to y, its image will be here. So this is b comma a. The image of the point a comma b with respect to x is equal to y is b comma a. Right. The image of the point same a comma b with respect to x is equal to y means what? So this is equal to x is equal to y line. X is equal to y line. with respect to this point, a comma b, its image will be here. So this is a minus b comma minus a. So this will lies in the third quadrant. If a comma b lies in first quadrant, it lies in the third quadrant minus b comma a. Understand? So here a comma b, b comma a both lies in the first quadrant. But with respect to x is equal to minus y line, the image of the point a comma b lies in the third quadrant. That is, the image is minus b comma minus a. Okay na? Right. So they are very, very important concept this also. So these are also very, very useful for your JEE mains examination. Okay. If this point is okay, we got this images. If the line is there, what is the image of the line with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis, then how to find out. So let us see that concept. Welcome back. Now just now I explained about image of a point with respect to x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to y line, x is equal to minus y line. So all those things I explained. Now I am going to explain image of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with respect to x-axis, y-axis, x is equal to y, and with respect to the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0, right. So see the first one. To make you understand this, let us take a two-dimensional coordinate geometry. So that is a x-axis and it is a y-axis at the origin. So image of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us take a line. It is a line equation. So this is a ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Don't think that I am always writing in the first quadrant. It may be anywhere. It may be in the second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, anywhere it is. What is the image of that line with respect to x-axis means the image will be like this. So this will be the image. Is it not that ax plus by plus c? If you imagine that x-axis as a mirror, the image of that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will be ax minus by plus c is equal to 0. The image of the line ax plus by plus c with respect to the x-axis. Don't think that image is, if you take the line here, its image will be here. If you take the line, original line, ax plus by plus c is below the x-axis, it may be above the x-axis. Okay, image will be above the x-axis. So that is, so the thing what is changed? Just y coefficient is changed. If it is a plus b, here we are getting minus b. That's all. Just y coordinate is changed. Now what is the image of the line with respect to y-axis? So with respect to y-axis, its image will be like this. So if you observe here, it will be the image. So image, if you imagine that y-axis as the mirror, its image will be like that. So here what is the equation here? Here minus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So with respect to x-axis, y coefficient is sign is changed. Here plus b, here minus b. With respect to y-axis, x coefficient is changed. Here plus a, here minus a. If it is minus a, here plus a will be there. So from this what can you say? If the line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, the image of the line with respect to x-axis is y coefficient will be changed. That's, of course, sign will be changed. There plus b, here minus b. With respect to y-axis, here x coefficient will be changed. Here plus ax, here minus ax will be there. So very clear. The next one is x is equal to y line. Yes. X is equal to y line means what? See here. So this will be the x is equal to y line. So this is a x is equal to y line. So this is x is equal to y line. Okay. Now what is the image of that line ax plus by plus c means a and b both will be interchanged. So the image will be like this. Here it will be image. Then what is the equation of that line is will become bx plus ay plus c is equal to 0. Bx plus ay plus c is equal to 0. So given a line ax plus by plus c, With respect to x-axis, its image is ax minus by plus c is equal to 0. With respect to y-axis, minus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. With respect to the line x is equal to y, ax plus by will become bx plus ay. Just both the coefficients will be interchanged their places. The next one is also very important concept. So we don't want that x coordinate and y coordinate. So here, so if it is given a line, so this is a line equation, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. With respect to another line, there is a line Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. Its image will be like this. So its image is this. Lx plus my plus image is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Its equation is given by ax plus by plus c times L square plus m square minus 2 times La plus mb into Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So for this also we have proofs. For all these things we have proofs, but just I am skipping the proofs. Okay, na? Right. So I hope that you understand this concept. Now I am going to explain you a very important concept, that is in a triangle. So there are some concurrent points are there. So they are circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter, centroid. Okay, these are the concurrent points will be there. Point of concurrence is what are they? So in this, circumcenter is a very important. Why? Because in the last 2022 JEE mains examination, you got 3 bits from the circumcenter. So to do those type of problems, you should know all the properties of this point of concurrencies, that is circumcenter, orthocenter, excenter, incenter, centroids. Okay, na? So let us discuss those points. Welcome back. So first see the circumcenter of the triangle. Yes. Okay, na? Circumcenter. What is the circumcenter? Let us take a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. ABC will be the triangle. So how the circumcenter will form means, this is a point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors of the sides. Perpendicular bisectors of the sides means what? Let us take, this is the perpendicular bisector of the side BC. Perpendicular bisector means it will be perpendicular to the side BC and also it divides into 2 equal parts. And this is also the perpendicular bisector of the side AB. And for AC also the perpendicular bisector will be like this. So this is called circumcenter of the triangle ABC. Okay, now. So the circumcenter will be, what are the properties of the circumcenter means? The circumcenter will be the equal to the vertices of the triangle. That means SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Therefore, taking SA as a center or SA or SB or SC as a radius, we can draw a circle, which is called circumcircle. Okay, which is called circumcircle of the triangle. Now, what are the properties? One more properties means, if it is a triangle is acute angle triangle, the circumcenter lies inside the triangle. If it is a obtuse angle triangle, if it is a obtuse angle means one angle is more than 90 degrees, then the circumcenter will lies outside the triangle. Sorry, this will be the, so the circumcenter will be lies outside the triangle. Sorry. If the triangle is a right angle triangle, if it is a right angle triangle ABC, the midpoint of the hypotenuse will become the circumcenter of the triangle, right angle triangle. The circumcenter will be the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, now. So basing on this circumcenter, so in the last previous JEE mains examination, 3 questions will be asked, and tomorrow I will explain those 3 questions. Okay, now, right. Now coming to orthocenter of a triangle. Orthocenter means, so they sometimes the orthocenter will be represented sometimes O or sometimes H also. Let us take a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC. From A, draw a perpendicular upon BC. Draw a perpendicular. Let AD be the perpendicular to PC. Like that from B also, drop the perpendicular. Let us take a BE is the perpendicular to the side AC. Let us drop another perpendicular from C on the side AB. This is AF, CF. So all these altitudes, we call them as AD, BE, CF are altitudes of the triangle ABC. All are concurrent. Concurrent means what? All they meet at a point. So this is called orthocenter of the triangle ABC. So that means the point of concurrence of altitudes of a triangle is called orthocenter of the triangle. Okay, now what are the properties of this orthocenter? So if you take a right angle triangle, ABC, the orthocenter lies at the vertex containing 90 degrees. So here B will be the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. If it is a right angle triangle, the orthocenter will lies at the right angle triangle. Okay, na? Right. So after learning this orthocenter, let us move to incenter. Welcome back. What is incenter of a triangle? So let us take a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC. Okay. Let us draw the angle bisectors. Angle bisectors means what? For suppose if it is a 60 degrees, then the line which divides this angle into two equal parts. That means 30, 30. That is called angle bisector. If you perfectly say it is an internal angle bisector. Okay, now. Like that, draw the angle bisector of C also. Like that, draw the angle bisector of A also. So the point of concurrence of angle bisectors of a triangle is called incenter. Okay, now. So here for finding circumcenter, orthocenter, there won't be any explicit formulas are there, direct formulas are there, not there. But to find the incenter, there is a direct formula is there. So very, very nice formula, that is, the formula is, for example, this is a x1 by 1 and B it is x2 by 2 and it is a x3 by 3. Let the length of the side BC is A. Let the length of the side AB be denoted with small c. Let the length of the side AC will be denoted with small b. Then the incenter I will be AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 upon A plus B plus C. So this is the A by 1 plus B by 2 plus C by 3 by A plus B plus C. So this is the incenter of the triangle ABC. Direct formula. So first find out the length of these sides AB, BC, CA. Let them as denoted as A, B, C respectively, and substitute these values, you will get the incenter directly. Okay. So after learning this incenter, so let me explain these excenters. Now let me explain what is excenters of a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC, A, B, C. Let us take a triangle ABC. Let us take this is the internal angle bisector of the angle A. Already I told that let us see this. This will be the external angle bisector. So previously we have taken internal angle bisector of B. Now I am taking as an external angle bisector. So let us take extend this side AC. Extend the side AC. They form an exterior angle. Let us take the external angle bisector. So that is called external angle bisector. That means the internal angle bisector of one angle and the external angle bisectors of the remaining two angles are concurrent, and this is called excenter related to A, opposite vertex A. So taking I as center, and the length, whatever may be this length, D, whatever may, otherwise R1 as radius, you can draw a circle that is called X circle. you can draw a circle, X circle. So, this X circle touches one of the side internally, remaining two sides externally. Okay. So, this is called X circle. So, is there any more X circles will be there? Surely two more X circles will be there. So, they are, extend these two sides and you take here. So, this is a one angle bisector, this is external angle bisector, this is an internal angle bisector. There you will get one more excenter, X circle. This is called I2. Again you extend this side and you draw here. So, this is external. So, here you will get I3. So, to find the excenters also you have a direct formulas. So, to find out the excenter I1, that is opposite to A, that is given by the formula minus AX1 plus BX2 plus CX3 upon minus A plus B plus C, minus AY2 plus BY2 plus CY3 upon minus A plus B plus C. So, this is I1. So, if you want to find out the excenter I2, just keep x2 coefficient, that is plus B as minus B, here minus B. If you want to find out the excenter I3, so just keep here minus C, C value minus. So, that means AX1 plus BX2 minus CX3 by A plus B minus C. Here AY2 plus BY2 minus CY3 by A plus B minus C. Okay na? So, this is a excenter. So, previously I have forgot to tell. So, here taking I as center, we can draw a circle touching all the three sides. So, that circle is called incircle. The incenter will be equidistant from sides of the triangle. The incenter will be equidistant from sides of the triangle, whereas the circumcenter will be equidistant from vertices of a triangle ABC. Okay na? Right. So, after this, let me explain about last and final concept, that is centroid. Welcome back. So, let us see the centroid of the triangle G. So, before learning centroid, so you have to know what is a median of a triangle, medians of a triangle. So, let me explain that. Let us take a triangle ABC. Let us take a triangle ABC. Okay now. Let us take the midpoints as this is a D, E, F are the midpoints of the sides BC, AC and AB respectively. Okay now. Now, the line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side in a triangle is called median. AD is the median. So, similarly, BE is a median and CF is a median. Okay. AD, BE, CF, these three are the medians. All these three are concurrent. They all three are concurrent. So, to show that concurrent, some theorems is also there. So, that point, this point G is called centroid. That means the point of concurrency of centroids of a, medians of a triangle is called centroid. In this, we have to know a very, very important point, that the centroid G divides the median, that is AD, in the ratio 2:1. Very, very important point, that is 2:1. Okay. Now, to find out the centroid also, there is a very clear explicit formula is there. So, let us take this as a x1 y1 and it is a x2 y2 and it is a x3 y3. Then the centroid G is given by the formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So, that is the formula to find the centroid of the triangle ABC. Okay na? So, I hope that you right. So, let us see this, some more properties are there regarding all these. In an equilateral triangle, ABC, that is ABC is an equilateral triangle. So, the circumcenter, orthocenter, incenter, centroid. That means circumcenter, S, O, I, G, all will be coincides. All these three will be coincides at a point. Okay, so that will is also a very, very important. So while for a equilateral triangle only this property applies. Okay, now. So dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. In the tomorrow's class, I will explain the mind map and also some previous JEE mains problems. Tomorrow onwards, I will start the problematic part. So until then, all the best.